Hello everyone, welcome to Nitya Cloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. This is the first series of Python for data science. So, in this series, we are going to learn about how we can use Python in data science. So, this is the introduction video basically. So, we are going to discuss what all things we are going to cover as a part of this series. So let's start. So in this video, basically, or I can say in this series, we are going to discuss about Python data science libraries. So which is like NumPy, SkyPy, Pandas, Cvon, Metaplot library, Plotly, PySpark, and other important libraries. So this is the very important and most commonly used libraries in data science. So we are going to learn all of these libraries. Okay. And now, if I talk about agenda of this course, so agenda of this course is basically first we will setting up with the Jupyter. So Jupyter is basically we can say like where you will write Python code, like you use Sublime and the other like Microsoft Visual Code, and there are many more. So now in this series we are going to use Jupyter, where we will write all the Python code, and after that we are going to cover Python crash course. So if anyone is new in the data field and he don't have idea about Python, so like he can start with using that Python crash course. After that we are going to cover how we can do data analysis using NumPy library, and after that Python for data analysis using Pandas, and Python for data visualization using Metaplot library, Python for data visualization using Cvon, Python for data visualization using Plotly and Cufflinks, and after that geographical plotting, and at last we are going to cover few projects. Okay, so if I just go into the detail, or I can say if I break down more, so in Python case course, we are going to cover all these things like data type, comparison operators, logical operators, looping, range, list comprehension, functions, lambda expression, map and filter methods. So using that, basically, we are going to create videos. We are going to use these libraries, so that's what we are going to cover initially this as a part of this course. Okay, and after that, if I talk about data analysis NumPy, so we are going to cover introduction to NumPy, NumPy arrays, quick note on array indexing, NumPy array indexing, NumPy operation, NumPy exercise overview, and NumPy exercise solutions. And after that, we are going to cover data analysis with Pandas. So in this, we are going to discuss about introduction to Pandas and the series, and we are going to cover data frame in two part. In one part, we are going to learn, and another part we are going to learn different functionality. After that, missing data, group by, merging, join, and concatenating, operations, data input and output. After that, we are going to cover Metaplot. So using Metaplot library, we can create graph in Python. So we are going to use this. Welcome to the data visualization, introduction to Metaplot, Metaplot part 1. So in different part, we are going to learn different things, and we are going to do some exercise as well. And yeah, so if it is like if these libraries are new, or if you haven't heard about it, so don't worry. After completion of this course, you guys will be comfortable to all of these libraries. After that, we are going to use C1, and C1 we are going to learn introduction to C1, catalogical plots, matrix plots, grids, regression plots, style and color, and then exercise, and last solution of that exercise. After that, we are using we are going to use Python built-in data visualization, like Pandas built-in data visualization, Pandas data visualization exercise, and Pandas data visualization exercise solution. And after that, we are going to learn plotly and cufflinks. We are going to cover introduction and the different plotly concepts. And after that, geographical plotting. So in geographical plotting, we are going to cover introduction, grids, regression plots, style and correct color. So all these things we are going to cover step by step. And at last, we are going to cover few projects. So once we will learn all of these libraries, then we are going to create few project, so that will help you to in the real time scenario. So don't worry, after completion of this course, you will be comfortable to start with the data science using Python. So guys, I hope this video is helpful, and I recommend you to please share this video, whoever is learn to data science using Python. Yeah. Thank you everyone.